It's a beautiful day to be with you. It's a beautiful day to be with you.
Hello bikers and babes, it's Rick Star Gonzalez with another how-to video. Today we're going to replace the battery on a 2004 Harley Davidson Softail Deuce. What a beautiful day for a ride. I need a battery though. I got the battery! It's a great day for a ride. A great day for a ride. So we start by taking the seat off. Let's get to business. So what you're gonna need to replace your battery is an ever so popular 10mm wrench. And you can see 10mm a lot more often than you used to. So I'm gonna start with the negative because I don't want to short out with the positive. If you're not sure which side is positive and which is negative, you look on the battery. It says right here. It says positive. It says negative. All right, so we're gonna start with the negative. Doesn't take much. Let me take it out completely before I short it out. Oops. I used both screws when I installed this battery last because I have a battery tender and I use the top screws to hold these terminals down. And this spaghetti mess, I'm gonna get rid of it. It used to be decorative lights, but it used to have all the spectrums of the rainbow, but little by little they were going out, so all I had was blue for a long time and then it finally died out. Gonna use a 10mm open wrench as well. Gonna do the negative first. Tightening it there. These terminals are side mounted towards the front, so you have a very little space to work with. Now disconnect the positive. So now I'm going to do the main screw here. Okay, I got it loose enough to get my fingers in there, so once again I'll pull it out. Just to give me a little bit more room there. And just like that, it's out of there. It charges, it says fully charged, but it doesn't have the ampage to crank the starter. All right, here is a new Harley battery. So let me go ahead and chop these wires out because no bueno. And I'll get rid of the actual diodes in a little bit. But for this video, I just want this sucker out of here. Who needs Christmas lights on your bike anyways? Right, Santa? Right. And they make fun of Rudolph. Jeez Louise. out of here. Now we're ready to install it. Here are your terminals. This is the positive, this is the negative. See how the negative's right here? Positive's right here. But inspect your cable, make sure that it's not oxidized. It looks pretty darn good. Here everything's cleaned up in there. So I'm gonna cut a piece of this strap here to cradle it on the battery, and I can drop it in the hole. And then when I need to replace it again, I can just pull it out with the strap. So now the battery is installed, and they told me it was fully charged. So let's see what we got here. Make sure you're in neutral. If you're not, put in neutral. Turn the switch on. The sweet sound of American ingenuity. Okay, I put a couple of Velcro straps to hold that strap down. Now we're good to go. If you like my content, punch that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and as always, get out and ride, and God bless you.